Everglades City, small little fishing village. It's like way towards the back end of Collier County. And it's just known for the fishing, man. People come from everywhere to come fish out here. You know, you get your regular backcountry fish, you know, your snook, tarpon, redfish, drum. But today we're gonna try to get after something a little different. You know, with a captain that's pretty well known for being out here getting on some good fish. So if everything's looking right, let's see what we can get. Just keeping them alive in there, you know what I mean? So
you have to,
like they're out here, you know?
You gotta take care of your buddies, man.
Yep. It's been years, and then further going up Chunkalusky, there's a curve right there.
Yeah.
Truck up in there, that little cut.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, big old sawfish.
Yeah.
Snook. Good stuff out there, man. Real good stuff. Pancakes. Ooh. Buddy, I know we was going to IHOP. Look at that fat one right there. There he is. That's what we need right there. Back this way.
Watch out for that one.
There you go.
Come on, baby. Grab it, baby. Come on.
Remember, don't set the hook. You got to circle it.
Gotcha. He's on it. He's on it.
Get him.
He's on it. He let go.
him?
He let go. He let go. He had it though. Or is he on it? He let it go.
Drop it, drop it, drop it.
He had it.
You had it?
Yep. I felt him. Oh, there you
There you
go.
go.
Got him. Oh. Come on. No, he's on. He's on. Nice. There it is. There it is.
This is out.
Oh, not that big.
Oh shit.
Alright. That's the spot I'm after right there, baby. That's the permit, huh? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. Put it on.
Get up
Put it
there.
on.
Oh. Chase him down because he's emotional.
No bull sharks. Come on. Put the heat on him. There he is. Come on, baby.
Yeah, keep him away from that buoy right there. You turn his ass. Come back, come back, come back, come back.
Going in circles.
Put the heat on.
kicking.
When you
There you
get
go,
up,
baby. There you go. Come on, give it to me. Come on, let's go.
good leg up.
You versus me. Come on.
Drop all the way down, drop all the way down, all the way down, go down, go down, go down, go down, all the way. Keep it down, keep it down. Yep.
Come on.
Keep it all the way down.
Good run, good run. Good run, good run, good run, good run.
Let him do you there.
Oh no, never that. Never, never. Ooh. Still got some kick in them. That was the first time I ever been hooked in one.
Get that son of a bitch up.
Yeah, they kick, boy. Them things kick.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
Them things are kicking. Come on, baby. We're gonna pull like that first. Coming up. Come on now.
Yeah, start putting it to him, bro.
Get my arms tight. Line them up a little.
No, no. Yeah, just keep that.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on. Coming up now.
Now we keep away from that motor. There you go. Good job. There you go. No, you're doing good. Don't straight up. Don't straight leg. Come on, come on, come on. Keep his head up. Watch when he goes down that boat. Alright, check.
That's how it's done. That's the one, man. Nice.
Alright, check.
One off the list. For sure.
That thing got a great fight, man. Good Lord. Everglades Fishing Co. putting me on them, man.
That's what's up.
Just like that, bro. Blue crab, free line right in front of it. Put me right in front of the school. Crab picked it up, man. Permit picked it up, took it off with it, dropped it. Pick it up, took off again. Didn't know he was hooked till about a minute in. Get that fish, man. Let's get that fish in there. Look at that.
You hold it by the tail, and you can put your thumb, you know, just like that. Don't let him over. He's going to the house with us.
Oh yeah, on the dinner table, baby.
There we go.
I hope it ain't nothing. What are you? Oh, it came off.
No way.
Oh, he's swimming this way. Nah, he's swimming this way. Appreciate that, buddy. Get back over here. Oh! Busted off, dude. That was big, man. Whatever it was pretty nice.
He ran you right in that wreck.
You had already saw him? You had already spotted him?
Yeah.
No way.
That's
Dang
right.
it. Missed my shot right there, man.
We're gonna go get on a bunch.
I gotta get hyped up.
Get this. You're gonna get
You know
it.
what? This was mine.
Here it goes, man.
This was mine. The cameraman shouldn't even be talking about it.
Nah! He's getting tight. He's getting tight.
I like it.
Like that, bro. It ain't no problem, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no thing.
Just out here doing work.
I love it, man.
I just hope y'all love what y'all seeing, man. Just out here having fun. I'm just putting it out for y'all to see, bro. Help expand the fishing industry a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Anybody want me to wear something that's theirs? I'll put it on. I'll put it in the video. You want to see it? Let me know. You're a captain. You want to see it? Come on. I'll come on your boat, man. We'll shoot some video. Try to get you some exposure. Get you out there a little bit. Same thing for me, you know. It's fun stuff.
Ah, you got, oh, damn.
That's a big boy.
Damn.
That's one of the bigger ones.
Bring that thing over here, bro. The one that killed Steve Irwin. That's the one that.
That's the one that got him.
That's the one that got the crocodile on him, man. Ray put him up. Damn. Look at that thing.
That's a big boy.
It's unreal, man.
Hold it.
What?
Let me see some pliers.
And it's off. Look back.
That's a good little sandy bottom that we're on. That's why we keep hitting them. That's why.
Dang right.
Ooh, that thing wore me out.
That's it?
Yep.
Done.
Got him.
That's what we want.
Yep. On over here. I don't know what it is though. That's cobia. That's cobia. He thumped it. Not the biggest, I don't think. But I don't wanna underestimate him. He's coming up though, whatever it is. Oh, it's a nice snapper, dude.
Bring him in the boat.
Nice mutton.
Holy shit.
Dude.
What the fuck?
Check that out, brother. Mutton.
Hey, you know,
Taking fish home to
when it fucking goes, it goes. We just gotta make sure he probably sees all the money.
Mutton. Yeah. Dude. Wanna go with the sheep real quick too or what? Might as well shoot.
Not a good mutton, man.
Appreciate it, dude. That's a nice one, bro. Captain James putting a song, know what it is. Mutton.
Yeah, that's got a head on it.
This was it.
Need a head shaking.
This was it.
Is he shaking?
Not really. Open at the thing, right? Yeah, I'm pretty.
Damn. It's a nice one, dude.
Coming up to the top.
There he is. Take him out. Yeah, there he is. That's
Oh,
what
there's-
we've been after. It's a shark.
Oh, it's a fucking shark.
It's a shark. It's alright. Little fish. Ain't nothing following them, no cobia behind them. It's alright. What kind of shark is it?
It's the same bull shark. Not a bull shark, but
It's like it hit it quick too. Let it go in the water.
they're here.
There he is.
That's the same size shark.
Alright.
That'd be pretty slick if we get that to happen again.
It's a little shark. What kind of shark is it? That shark on the greenback. Probably just holding on.
He's not even hooked that much. Good enough.
How much battery got we got?
I got 48%.
Solid day out on the water, man, with Captain James Wheeler. He got it on a nice Pathfinder. We went out there early in the morning, caught some bait. Had a great time, man. We went out first, saw some cobias right under us, pitched some crabs to them, didn't get on them. Went a little further out, got into a nice mutton. Got a nice permit. Permit was riding, man. I hooked it to another fish. And then that got eaten by a bigger fish. I'm thinking it was a big Goliath. Captain said it was probably a big shark. Either way, I could not stop the fish. The fish rolled out, took off. It was not stopping. But I'm gonna be ready for that fish next time, man. But I didn't get the cobia that we were trying to get after today. But we got some good meat, good footage. About to eat good right now, man. And the next video is gonna be even better, man. It's like this is the first video that's coming out that's like this, real living, you know. And I'm hoping that everybody that's watching it likes the content, shares it, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And just be ready for more content, man. This is the first of many good videos coming, man. If there's any other captains out there that would like to make a video, like to have me on the boat, whatever the case may be, you want to do business, you want to collab, you want to do some shout outs on social media, whatever, you know, let's do it. I'm game for it. I'm down for it. I'm located in Southwest Florida. There's somebody in Naples. There's somebody in Cape Coral. There's somebody in Pine Island, Malice, wherever you're at. You want to do a video, let's do it. I'm down and I'm ready. God bless y'all. Ricky Real Living signing off.